Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all doing well. Today we have a very healthy breakfast pancake recipe for you. So let's just get into it without wasting much time. For the ingredients, I have here 4 ounces of cream cheese. I have here 4 eggs. This is going to be about half a cup of blueberries, but it's just to garnish the pancakes at the end. I have here 2 teaspoons of stevia sweetener, and I have here 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We're going to go ahead and blend this all out. Okay, so I'm using my food processor today. I'm going to come in with my cream cheese, my eggs, my cinnamon powder, and my stevia sweetener, and I blend it. Okay guys, so I have everything ready in here. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Okay, so we're done here, and we're gonna wait for about 2 minutes for the bubbles and everything to settle down and clear out of it. Then we'll transfer it onto our stove and fry. So our pan has been heating for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of olive oil. If you have coconut oil, that is very good too. Just a little bit of olive oil, and this is fine. Then transfer some of the butter in to start frying. I've been frying this side for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead now and turn and flip it over for another 2 minutes until it's golden brown. Then we'll take it out. And this is ready now. I'm gonna go in now and take it out. Do the same thing with the next batch. Okay, so I'm going to turn this to okay, so here we have it. Going with the next one. Okay, we're done here. I have the last one to go. that's it. Alright guys, so I think it's ready to turn. That's totally fine. Okay friends, so here we have it. The most healthiest pancake, cream cheese pancake you can ever make. If you want to go the healthier way, you do this. If you're diabetic, pre-diabetic, I totally recommend this pancake for you. So before we go, I just want to garnish it a little bit with some cream cheese and the blueberries. Okay, so I hope you're inspired to try it. Please do, and do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me how it went. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share. Thank you so much, and see you again in my next video. Bye.